Yes, guys, I woke up like this. Guys, so today, hey guys, so today is my, I forgot to give that shit back to him. Oh God, I'm sorry. Anyways, guys, today's my orientation. And I was supposed to braid my hair last night. This is not braided, so I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. And I'm moving in today, so I'm at a hotel right now. But yes, I'm in the state that I'm in right now, and my hair looks like this. Like, oh, my edges blue, my edges are gone, and my hair needs to wash. But I think I'm not tired out. It's 7. It's 7 right now, and my moving time's 8 to 10, so I gotta make sure I'm there on time, ready to go. So I have my bag with all my shit in it, all my hair stuff, and I got this what I'm wearing today. I don't care. This with this hoodie, I don't care if I wear it to bed. Okay. So I'm gonna be getting ready and stuff, and I wanted to do a story time, so I'm debating if I'm gonna do a story time while I do my hair. But we'll see about that. Okay. So see y'all when I'm done using the toilet. Time for this. It's just too much. My hair is just pissing. Cause why do I look like a random hair shot? Like, so I'm just thinking maybe I'll just slick it again. This is just for like right now. Can we do a middle slick? Can I? I'm thinking there's like this my hair. It's so sensitive right here. Definitely wash my hair today. I don't even know where I'm going to move in. That's the fun part. I was looking about to live in. This is definitely not gonna work. I was thinking back on I read it, but that's not gonna work. This is like a quick hairstyle for girls with thicker hair. Yeah. People spend hours and hours on their hair, not me, boo. It's so easy to slick your hair. It doesn't flake. But that was slicked. No, that's how you did it. Yep. Next, this. Let's just like this part and put it messy. Just to have some decorum. Because if I was up here, I would not be doing my hair now. I would do my hair. Because I'm good at it. I look good. really thick hair, so feel free to say no works, okay? Just like, I just want to deal with it while they're coming up. So. Shooting bobby pins, including the bad part. Gotta make sure it stays down for that day. Yup. My hair don't look that good, but I don't really care. I'm like presentable. This is a quick hairstyle for anyone with thick hair. Thick, like medium length hair. Like, this is like a quick hairstyle. That shit took like 6 minutes. This is the edge control user before I show y'all. It works in my hair pretty well. So that's how I like it. And honestly, this is the finished product, guys. This side, I like bobby pin this to the back. And this is my hair.